Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and actually before we'll find the accurate section, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and here we've got the system update, so let's tap on it. And now basically your device will normally try to find for the updates, and that's why you need the internet connection. You can meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Your device will show you relevant information. And here you've got the second scenario where actually there is an update to download. Your device will inform you about everything. I mean what has been fixed, what has been added, etc. All you have to do is to simply tap on download or install, and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.